In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint on Zoom. If you want to present slides clearly during a Zoom call, the process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it in a smooth, practical way so you can follow along and start sharing your presentation with confidence. To begin, make sure you are already inside an active Zoom meeting. This is important because the screen sharing controls only appear once the meeting has started and you are actively connected. If you are joining as a participant or hosting the meeting yourself, the steps are the same from this point. Before you present, it also helps to have your PowerPoint file already open on your computer so you can switch to it quickly and avoid delays during the meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Share button in the Zoom toolbar. In most cases, this appears at the bottom of the meeting window. On some devices or screen sizes, you may need to move your mouse slightly to make the toolbar appear if it is hidden. When you see the Share button, go ahead and click it. This opens the sharing panel, where Zoom lets you choose exactly what you want other people in the meeting to see. From the available options, select the PowerPoint presentation. Depending on how you have your computer set up, this may appear as the specific PowerPoint window, a desktop screen that contains the presentation, or the application itself if the file is already open. In most situations, choosing the specific PowerPoint window is the best option because it helps keep your presentation focused and prevents viewers from seeing unrelated tabs, files, or notifications on your screen. After selecting the PowerPoint, Zoom will begin sharing it with everyone in the meeting. At that point, you can start presenting your slides as usual. It's a good idea to take a quick look at the Zoom controls or the small preview indicator to confirm that your presentation is actually being shared before you continue speaking. This can help you avoid the common mistake of talking through slides that your audience cannot yet see. And that's it. Be in an active meeting, click share, and select your PowerPoint presentation. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast and natural part of presenting on Zoom.